Hi, hello, welcome everyone to another exciting video. Today, we are going to review each and every truth and facts about keto diet. What does really mean keto diet? Why to follow keto diet? What makes keto diet so popular among Western countries as well as all over the world? Is keto diet really works for everyone? If yes, what is the best keto diet program in the market? What are the advantages of keto diet? And as well as some disadvantages of having keto diet too? Is keto diet advisable for a diabetes patient? Then which keto diet program is best in the market? And also I personally follow those program to give a best review for the Panda viewers. So what that best product? Can a beginner use custom keto diet? So many questions are flooded in your mind? Don't worry, we will discuss each and everything in this video and stay tuned for the wonderful surprises are waiting to receive you at the end. So without delay, let's get started. First of all, I am going to reveal the best product in the market. I think that everyone somehow knows it. It's nothing but custom keto diet. Yes. Unlike other custom keto diet reviews on the internet, I'm not here to scare you with some shocking survey results or statistics. A year ago, I've gone through all these reviews on Google to find whether the custom keto diet program works or not. There are many fake reviews by people who never even know what really inside the program. So, I decided to come forward with the study that covers all pros and cons of Rachel Roberts' custom keto diet program. So it would be my honest opinion that reading the custom keto diet review till the end without missing any points will give you clarification about the custom keto diet ebook. So let's get going with the custom keto diet review. So we'll start with that. What is the keto diet and what does it mean? The keto diet is characterized by a low carbohydrate and high fat intake. The goal is to consume more protein and fat calories while consuming fewer carbohydrates. Sugar, soda, pastries, and white bread are among the carbs that are easiest to digest. It is gaining popularity due to its possible weight loss and blood sugar control effects. And now we'll look at how a personalized diet works. What made this program stand out from the rest of the keto diet programs? Let's see. What are the benefits of a ketogenic diet? The keto diet may provide additional health benefits in addition to weight loss. Here is a comprehensive summary of the different health benefits of following a keto diet. 1. Weight loss. If you're trying to lose weight, a ketogenic diet may help you lose weight more quickly than other diets in the first 3 to 6 months. 2. Preventing cancer. Our bodies either utilize sugar as an energy source or store surplus sugar for future energy production. Insulin, a hormone, aids our bodies in this process. 3. Heart health. Despite being a high-fat diet, the keto diet has been shown to increase good cholesterol levels while lowering bad cholesterol levels. 4. Skin rejuvenation. Low carbohydrate intake is directly linked to reduced inflammation in the body. Our skin's redness begins to fade as inflammation decreases. 5. Diabetic complications. Low-carb diets have been shown to help decrease blood sugar levels more than any other diet. When you follow a keto diet, your body burns stored fat for energy, which results in the formation of ketones. 6. Promotes nervous system health. Your body produces ketones when you follow a ketogenic diet. Ketones are also thought to protect brain cells from harm, according to numerous experts. 7. Improving exercise performance. Many athletes use this high-fat, low-carb diet to improve their performance. Low-carb diets can help you improve your physical activity levels. Now I hope you got an idea of what is meant by keto diet. Now let's see the best in the market custom keto diet. what it delivers. So, let's start with a sales page and see what they promise to deliver and how it will benefit us. The writer begins with, what should you eat to lose weight and get healthy without giving up your favorite foods? And the author claimed that no matter who we are, if we follow this strategy, we would lose weight. This is a list of the 4 most common diet mistakes that harm your health and slow fat loss. Mistake number 1. Not being in a calorie deficit. Some experts claim that losing weight and keeping it off is all about regulating what you eat. Mistake number 2. Extreme calorie restriction gives you a 90-year-old lady's metabolism. Mistake number 3. Assuming that all calories are created equal. We've only looked at calories so far. While calories are an important component in fat loss, they are not the only factor to consider. Mistake number 4. Following a too rigid, unrealistic diet. She discusses the finest eating regimen, known as Keto. Ketosis gives you an unfair advantage when it comes to weight loss. You're now looking at the graph. Time point versus body weight. How your weight loss has progressed over time. And now, the below are the 6 reasons why the keto diet is fat loss holy grail. Reason number 1. Increases fat burning significantly. Take a look at the graph. Insulin levels drop on a keto diet, which not only enhances your health but also greatly increases fat burning. Reason number 2. It's simple and straightforward. The keto diet is easy to follow, and you'll have fun while doing it. Take a look at the graph. Reason number 3. Hunger pangs will subside. I'll tell you something. Any diet that makes you hungry will never help you lose weight and keep it off. You can't stand the cravings any longer, and binging will result in you regaining all of your lost weight. On top of that, you'll almost certainly gain weight. The keto diet, on the other hand, puts an end to hunger. You won't feel hungry if you go keto. To put it another way, you'll look great not just in the after photo, but also in the after photo. Reason number 4. You don't need to work out to receive the benefits. On the keto diet, you don't need to exercise to lose weight. 5th reason. It's both healthy and secure. The keto diet is both a fat loss and a health-promoting diet. Need proof? As we saw in the first section of the video. Reason number 6. You'll lose weight on a regular basis. You'll start losing weight instantly once you start your tailored keto eating plan. You don't have to think about nutrition constantly. If you start today, here's what you'll get. An 8-week meal plan based on industry experts' experience and knowledge. Delicious dishes tailored to your tastes. Instructions on how to make your meals even more personalized. A meal plan containing a wide variety of foods. Step-by-step recipe directions that are very clear. A printable grocery list is available. And a lot more. So what are the outcomes if you chose to continue on this journey? And this is not some already written PDF plan you get. You will get your customized keto diet plan according to your body and age type. So that sounds interesting, no? And there's more good news. You will receive a free 7-day keto diet plan. It sounds appealing. Check it out right now in the description below. And now. And for whose this keto won't help. We've been around long enough to notice that there are 3 categories of folks we can't help. 1. Instead of taking action, you prefer to spend all of your free time attempting to figure out the best diet. 2. You believe you already know what you need to do to achieve your ideal body and are unwilling to listen to expert advice. 3. You don't want to use science-based dieting tactics and would rather do what the typical Joe does. Furthermore, you will not be disappointed after purchasing this keto program, since if even 1% of your needs are not met, you will not be charged. Yes, you can get a complete money-back guarantee. So, what are you holding out for? There is a big surprise I am going to reveal now for action takers. Now it's time for the big surprise for those of you who are preparing to purchase this product from Panda. Yes, you will receive a significant amount of premium content for free. The Gaia Originals series, Transcendence, is a worldwide hit that has forced a total reconsideration of human history. Its 2 sessions include all 10 episodes for free. To claim that free bonus is very simple as that, after purchasing this product, from the link listed below, in the description and, as well as in the first comment section of this video. Simply, take a screenshot, and send it to the Panda official Instagram mentioned below. Whatever product you have, without action, it becomes useless. Only action takers have achieved and conquered everything in this world. Are you one of those action takers, or are you simply procrastinating and returning to your boring lifestyle? We are waiting on the other side with all the benefits and premium bonuses for those who have promised themselves to change their lives by taking actions. I think all your doubts and questions are cleared. If you have any questions or doubts about this product, comment down below. Thank you. Keep safe. Bye until next time.